all in all, it's been a really decent week. I mean, it definitely feels like fall, and looks like it's going to continue.
We're actually a little bit above average, which, I mean, in September, no complaints, right? I can tell you, though, Zach, October is going to have a different feel. October,
page,
September we can get away with it. October, that month, that word says, well, we'll knock it down to the 60s and 50s. So the 70s, a little bit less of a thing that we're going to be seeing here. I can expect it's definitely going to start cooling off. So 56 right now in Portland. Pressure is rising. High pressure is coming in. Wind northwest at 5. It's not terribly cold. Not even by September standards. It's perfectly fine right now, 52. But we're going to start to kind of lower the notch just a bit, down a few pegs. A bit cooler tomorrow. Nothing crazy cold, but definitely more fall in the air. Freeze watch. I believe that's the first one of the season. We had a frost advisory. It's now down to a freeze watch coming later in the week. And rain is a near miss. A piece of Ian going to try and make it here later this week. It's not going to have success, so we're not going to get that rain. Tomorrow inland, low 60s as opposed to mid and upper 60s, so about one peg down on the ladder. The coast not getting quite to 70 with those low and mid 60s. Hour by hour forecast as you see into your overnight on Wednesday. Not a lot happening except temperatures coming down into the 40s, which still not that bad. And you're waking up tomorrow 8 o'clock, 51, 53, Bangor down to Portland. Clouds, western mountains. These are fair weather clouds tomorrow versus today. Not going to see precipitation be an issue at all tomorrow. And the sky clears on Thursday night, and that's important because all of the heat will go up to space Thursday night, and that sets the stage for a freeze watch here. Western mountains heading up north as you see that for until 9 o'clock in the morning Friday. So it's Friday morning, Thursday night, Friday morning, and then it goes away. Here's why. Well, hello, not quite winter, but I mean, we're getting close. 30s, Rangeley, Waterville, Augusta. So that's why you're saying, okay, we're getting time, right? And by 9 o'clock in the morning on Friday, we're quickly going to be in the 50s. So clearly not winter just yet. Here's the near miss on Saturday from what's left of Ian to our south. Not quite making it here, and it is close. I mean, seacoast close, but doesn't get here. So we don't get the rain from Ian. It's just not going to happen. So how about for the Mariners? Water temp 60, seas at 3 to 4 feet. Wind going north to northwest, about 5 to 15. And inland, you're seeing here not a huge just chunk of winter-like net. Hopefully not. We're just turning the corner into October on Saturday. So Saturday is going to be right now a situation where it depends how close that little chunk, a little blob of Ian can make its way up here. Right now, I do not expect it to. So if it doesn't get here, we could at the very least see clouds. But an all-day rain event looks unlikely, although it's only Wednesday. So checking with Todd in the morning to see how close that blob makes it here on Saturday. Hopefully not to ruin the weekend.
All right. Fingers crossed.
Yes.
Thanks, Jason.